When receiving the package, you can check whether the outer box is damaged first. It is recommended to prepare gloves and a knife before unpacking. These are all the items in the package. The electric ceramic stove is a free gift and will be shipped randomly. The brand and style may vary. To ensure the safety of the packaged goods during transportation, we wrapped them in multiple layers with a lot of tape, requiring some patience when removing them. Also, when using a knife to remove the packaging, be careful not to scratch the goods. There are 2 glass tubes in total. Glass products are easily broken during transportation, and 1 tube is a spare. If you receive the goods and both glass tubes are broken, please contact the HooLoo team through the contact information at the end of the instruction manual, and we can provide you with 1 free replacement. Now let me introduce the various components. The pot body and lid are connected together by an 8-inch clamp and a sealing ring. This is the distillation column and condenser. These are cooling water pipes. There are 2 in total. This is a spare sealing ring. These are 3-inch clamps and sealing rings. This is Teflon tape, used for wrapping around the threads of glass tubes. This is a hydrosol silicone tube. This is a universal faucet accessory. This is the lid of the distillation column. This is a copper plate. This is an essential oil separator. These are 2 glass tubes installed on the essential oil separator. This is a stainless steel steaming basket. This is an electric ceramic stove. This is the product instruction manual. Now I'll show you how to install our 8-liter copper still. Open the lid and begin by installing our stainless steel steaming basket. The handle of the steaming basket is packaged together with the main body, which you can see as soon as you open it. During the actual distillation, the materials need to be placed on a stainless steel steaming basket to prevent them from sticking to the pot. Reconnect the lid and pot using an 8-inch clamp sealing ring, making sure the sealing ring is aligned with the groove to prevent steam leakage during distillation. The copper pan is mounted on top of the lid to prevent material from falling out when you add it to the distillation column. Install the distillation column and condenser section in the same manner. If you need to place materials inside the distillation column, you can add them from the top. Do not fill it completely. About 80% full is sufficient to prevent steam from being blocked. Before installing the glass tube of the essential oil separator, wrap Teflon tape around the threads of the glass tube several times to enhance the seal and prevent hydrosol leakage. Now I'll show you how to install the cooling water hose and hydrosol silicone tube. The other end of the water inlet pipe needs to be connected to our water fittings. If the hydrosol drips outside the glass tube, you can add a section of silicone tube for the hydrosol, as shown in the video.